Wow. Opa con lagi.
Isikan! Lagi! Homat!
3 times right.
Tembak! Kawalan komandan! Tata! Senjata! Kawalan komandan! Musuh! Senjata!
Okay, contingent commander, step aside. Chief trainer, clear their weapon. Okay, what you are going to do now is, you do not go for march past. Once you form up, you go back to your FUP. We will come in again after you drink up. I say again, once you go up, straight away drink up, take up position, we will come in. For the next run, it will be the full sequence truncated run. Okay, for the row A, once you are on the promenade, you will go out by the gate. Do not go up to the gallery. Only for this rehearsal. The subsequent rehearsal will go through the full drill.